Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be learning how to tie a tie, and this one is actually called a 4-in-hand knot. I actually prefer the Windsor knot, and I may just reshoot that because I shot that a long time ago. You'll see that in the playlist. But anyway, this is the 4-in-hand. So the wide side's on the right, at least for me. Skinny side's on the left. I'm going to put the wide side over the top. And obviously you have the wide side is a lot longer than the skinny side. Wrap it around the skinny one. Pinch. Wrap it around one more time. Now take the wide side, push it up through the hole. And then you're going to see an opening if you look straight down. I'm going to push it through the opening. There you go. Pull down on the skinny side to straighten it out, straighten your collar. This isn't the most symmetrical knot, but it is the easiest. And there it is. Another way to make sure that you have tied it correctly after you practice a few times, hold the knot loosely, pull the skinny part. Once it comes out, if the entire thing just unties just like that, you know you've done it correctly. One last tip about the tie: the length of your tie should never go down past your belt line. You look like a clown.